I was your near Salma Mumin out in and Kano. Fella, yeah, you most of us, you know, from the days of Yellow series. I want to share here with you acting on about and send a yellow suit me Remo.
My first project near Royal Diadem.
I send a yellow baby.
Wow. It's in the next one in a yellow with farmhouse.
Okay. Yeah. Into an about and send out to me entire. Okay, audition be an answer like boom.
They be obi boy me na odi me call Mr. Ivan Kwache happen. Yeah, and I go audition and I'm fine.
So talking about the audition and I didn't know any different kind of so colleagues someone be a your opportunity at me remo and will be a big star.
Oh, say nye me nkwana me wo we yolo and I nye me nkwana so na mo selected that day. I think it was just based on talent because yeah audition and you know mo selected yeah movie you know we did well with audition. Yeah.
We will say because I also auditioning any paper break and echo. But most of them now you drop one.
Yeah.
It could be say more you pick more something unique in you are other guys no or money be. To you ankasa uniqueness the body. Then am you unique?
Talent no. Talent no.
So when I'm wrong, what shall I say for you say? Talking about your career.
The career no me shall say I'm that was secondary school. Na idea na yema kwan bia me dwane back room. Na me attend the auditions na.
Okay.
One day me the call AA production audition and omo farm into my first project me passion and soul.
Okay.
Now me play midwife alongside Jackie Appiah and some other big stars. So that was my first ever.
Wow, nice one. Fella, time ben when you courage and say one cast up your movies.
My first production in 2018, 2019 there about now released the first short. It was a short film, Fries. And a short film no Niger. I think say I paused because you know I had other things doing as well. Until last year I could produce Sewa with Farmhouse. Until after that this year, like it was with my own production.
Wow.
Yeah, with feature.
What shall I say? When you're smoother and I say challenges be what GHC you know in terms of movies production.
Oh, Sinicha de easy you know from the tools and my colleagues and you know all the things that will happen on set and it's not easy but I feel it comes with a job into and I dynamics to say to me you know with all of that to me we stand and jumano
easy no you see some afana talking about say easy no
easy no actually say ebia say there be shooting movie no onim say one location we have to move lighthouse insure kakrabi and all of that out you know
say sika some crown podcast still say ejuma
ejuma bia so yeah
sika some kan ho pa ebia sika kan sem kan ho ma no but sem bebre ema industry no for bebre no support no ba ebeboa support ni say what to say ya base ye the sa na wonso wa patronize na ukakra bi no na odi abeboa ama movie na ye twa no ye betumi ya den asay twebiem sa na na industry no grow yeah.
Talking about the industry, we are part of FIPAC.
Part of what?
FIPAC.
No.
Films Producers Association of Ghana.
No.
Wow. Now I heard Ghana and most of the times that I can say movie industry no sink kwa na form. And none I think say more kind of say main players woman no. More na with me a left with the aid of the government. And we have government and they will see in your film industry no. I don't make so with my baby.
Yeah.
Question we try to Salma Mumin.
Yeah. And government no there the best rest on beboa aye more of you know cinemas na my a lot of cinemas I think we can start off from there na support so be it financial be it be shooting movie say na wa be mama be first 5 cars 7 fire then in fact 2 cinema no because I feel to be a storyline you to me a very beautiful story but we need resources to bring the story to life.
Okay.
Ningina can be support from all these angles I think the industry, will be a better one. Yeah.
So you think
But
so?
we are coming up, like
One big thing GH here, how do you call it?
cinemas.
Cinemas.
We need more cinemas.
Yeah, no dia problem ni na like a best of it.
Most
One
of
year
it,
journey.
most
We
of
need-
it's
we
best
need
of it. Just
cinemas,
imagine say you were about 3 cinemas for Kumasi, you be 2 or wa, you be 3 or Sunyani, you
Yeah.
be
5 for Kumasi.
Tamale, all over the country. Into say yeah, premiere movie be anya and say yeah, real Accra, DNA, Baha.
Okay, okay.
Premiere one
One
day.
day at
Obi
all
a
these
bet me
places.
then,
Wow.
and you be a share. Oba say just imagine sika
Sika
bet me
ubenya, yeah.
aboa no. They
Okay.
treat obi almost see ni try sika nim. Just imagine bibi sa ba producer
Yeah.
benya sika bebre.
Yeah.
Wow.
Eba say so bet me atua and say attendee no.
Ada na cash ni mantem ho. Emantem.
Emantem.
Wow, producers no munchwa makantem.
Oh, much I
And also when you be a part payment.
Sika a public na expect to say anka ye dem mayen as.
Anya sa.
Into say a banner sa some support ya send your person.
See them say we are rich. If you have my lifestyle idea and superstars, we are rich. Now we are rich so ni na so for producers at times. And
Do you understand?
Yeah,
The producers who benye scan na your better na ade, why na better na ade.
the public.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
It's the public. So we need your support.
Okay, thank you very much. Ebusan Opemsuo already 104.7 live in the studios from Menchia Palace. Now make us your Facebook. Into no questions in bit me afa ho. Me filter question nyini nya me busa me srewa me monitor enema e wa say. Fela yemra resonance. Name no manya correct. Why resonance? Meaning no e den.
Just a symphony of death. Mpacho eno de
What the church? Yeah, church.
Okay.
English whatever.
There are some of them.
Mesro.
So
In English, I try say
resonance ankasa no story no nema ya anime movie no resonance.
Okay.
Because it has to do with there's love, there's investigation, there's bit of music, and there's death in the movie as well. Into briefly no.
So munya story ni we and na munya the name resonance.
Oh, so it all comes hand to hand. It all comes hand to hand. And story nankasa is a very interesting story. Yeah.
Okay. How many key figures or more resonance anymore?
Many by Salma Mumin waha your Prince David Osei, Peter Ritchie, Habiba Sinari, Wesley Kessie, we have Enam Tigbefia, we have Etiberi.
Just say started.
Comedian Warriors, comedian Jacinta, myself. Pacha said, wait, the Omudos major.
Some who play Ruby?
May play record label.
Okay. Hey, any national. We are only record label there.
Opemsuo. Yeah. Not just say na character na ninti you trust in ebe deem him as a record label owner, semi managing a career as a musician and to play woman and managing a career.
Okay, you talking about record label no remember Mrs. Salma Musano moving on bit me am e kakra bi said the worker say record label e wo me eti say twa picture kakra bi kire answer na.
So
yeah, but we na say
Tamara, yeah, girl be a friend of Tamara. I was living in the slum no as a or break kakra, she's a musician as well to or hear more from Obia or Betumia Bonnie, music career no with all the struggle or share will be nipa no yeden assigning onto a record label but en share nche no na omuku Tamara
okay
the enti na omuku Tamara any nipa na oku Tamara ehun seminar
I sure be kan nyina we be kan nyina tobo metie story na tumi say sika akomie pa is it na to finance such big project.
Oh, say yeah, juma different like yeah juma bebre enye we nkwa yeah signing deals yeah other gigs me movie I me produce with Farmer also last year no so no yeah
into resonance at the end the money different from your other movies why
to say me character no let's say my sheda nye bibia sa as a me to new na sa when me shana nyesa. So it's different, and the storyline is also amazing.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Someone role you play different from previous roles. What they can play or movies. We say na and I say smooth them out.
In terms of storyline, they're different from everything I've played. My first time I may play record label owner, but in terms of delivering my performance, no, it was something that I enjoyed a lot, and it came effortlessly. Yeah.
Wow, looking at the movie, Juma Modia Room, no, fella, my memory, how always by this movie, we say, drew a certain height, by any bit Martini.
Oh, of course.
Expectations, yeah.
So far, so good. Yeah. If I have to be very honest, I think with the support that we are getting for Resonance, I mean, you've seen the Accra premiere and all of that, and I'm sure Kumasi to be a great turnout. So I have a great feeling that Resonance is gonna go very far. Yeah.
Wow.
With your support as well.
Thank you. You're supporting so Obefi. I am in Shia Palace. So yeah, the GDA at a tray. Now Saturday time bay.
Pacho 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. It's the first show near 7 p.m. and a second show near 9 p.m. By your best starting red carpet no so 6 p.m. Or SG Mall. Pacho.
Notable personalities be na yet may invite you or more Kumasi or baby.
Oh, me Pacho will be I invite you.
Oh, say be a special guest be how we dear specifically the chain ye Hanover.
And we show na ma share one side on now the me ako 1 or 2.
Okay. Me to say. You say other issues for her, but resonance intina me can say ye buy. Most of the times ye ba movie premiere more. I won't share them main figures and I say be a more support to the producer no. I'm not being premium because we're just KV. And as a contract with the next counting as someone.
Oh, baby.
Like that.
Mommy use it.
Because no. Why didn't you hear
Debbie. Mommy use this platform.
Okay.
And me colleagues more see. I think so from the onset, they've been very, 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 very supportive. Shout out to my colleague, friend Salma. Prince David will say, I mean, all of them really, really came true for me. Like they had to leave, their busy schedules to come on the set because it was very impromptu. Salma said, "Now we're booking a flight crowd or between Quina, Miss you." Say. She had to put it on hold, and it's such a blessing to have people like this who you can call anytime to come through for you. And she coming here also means so much. And by tomorrow, it's a blessing, and I feel the industry is getting better again with the support with my own colleagues and the media as well.
Okay. So we show cast now. I offer say be where my friend a bit my boy me in this movie. Now I the front I say professionally when a bit my play this role. Now the fun.
Funny enough, what editing bench I was just having goosebumps because Salma role like the way she carried the role and Kasa madam for some like she's just good. So much she's been in the industry and she's she's a great talent.
Thank you.
And she made it the role. Everyone, literally everyone in Resonance, like they brought their A game on. Yes.
Wow. Well, say you're smooth man.
But answer
Sorry.
smooth man.
Then it's smooth.
We say a smooth man role play,
Extremely smooth.
comparing to other we say movies.
At my convenience.
Wow. Talking about search movies, locations munya ediye movies, GH are you okay?
Oh, are you okay?
Per the standard of the movies, I'm per se muchano.
Ghana is becoming a tourist country. That people are now coming here to have vacations and all, and there are a lot of beautiful places in Ghana. I'm sure if you travel and you really look through, you get nice places to shoot your movies. And Hollywood, I had no Bible.
Now so much.
Hey, we are sure.
Officer Ghana,
Not about if about the open in your movie.
Oh, of course. I mean, I would choose Ghana like anytime, any day.
Wow.
Yeah.
AFA, you could cry, back.
Yeah, Ghana is a beautiful.
If you cry, you be Bible. You're already 104.7 or say Krum Kwanjume DNA, and then we've been opportunity to see your fella Makafui. It will fear say, and as Salma Mumin. It's all about resonance. Saturday premiere no air course so ewo Kumasi SG more right. 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Take it to know you been able to
Me pacho yeah digital one now we bet me ato phone so phone bia we use we bet me ato e was so NI work code no into code ni star 928 star 085 star 3 hash.
Please come again.
Me pacho star 928 star 085 star 3 hash.
Okay, maybe in your online so now say opese automagator
into opese
prices ne say
obetumi akọ SG molato per head ye 50 Ghana cedis and double ye 80 cedis.
And then you inspect Saturday something new previously where you moving out the bar you know the BNC or premiere now see
you're going to have a great experience like I know you're going to come, right?
Oh yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah.
You have to. I'll look out for you.
Remember, no pass. Movie America. You have to go on so.
50 Ghana.
200. Yeah, what tickets no be wa currency and come say
oh my god. 350 the whole.
What you carry? Medals your time no enche na ya sorry so. Where's be out the fans out there? Na yenye 5/5.
Me pacho yo.
Start be abi high, afraid be 5/5. Yeah, the more questions no here no. Simple. Yeah.
You better mo si say mo my platform say be promote ye product wa ha. You better me crew, me cast, my amazing family so as said they be amutai me chi. And then so Saturday mesro be say on beba very early. Now mutumi share amazing movie because movie na kasa no one bantema won share that because yeah go back to Tamara's old life now back to new one so
so full of suspense
full cry where Hollywood standard what you see
suspense 247
okay thank you
Saturday be share omenim.
Nice one.
Yeah.
I feel 5/5. Maybe a question no not where you are no my celebrity about oh no, just 5 questions. And what you see dear wo or anyone from talking about movies. Will you go for Nadia or Jackie?
Hey, sana no.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, so it's 5 man other 4 no na
oh nah. Say how do we are not going.
Oh, so you be 5 now. No, me free say
oh no, I 5 nah.
Say bet me ask Skippy.
There be.
Hey,
5 no.
Oh, they my free.
Oh come on.
Hey, right.
And we a producer. Oh the script about between Jackie and Nadia. Who na be choosing?
I say what they mean to me. It depends on the script. It depends on the storyline. What you say? Maybe I mean next movie.
Age wise. Omo monim chen and adwuma no so omo be mo.
Yeah.
You starting no me and one pa character and I pay movie.
They are legends.
You are trying to be smart here.
Oh no. These are like big, my people that we look up to in the industry. So no disrespect.
Salma be bonana.
What? No.
The question. Hey, we na mo doje.
No, menka question.
Okay. Minimum so open music as well. Or the infant on to chain. Open music as well. So between Wale and Stoneboy, who will you go for?
I said question answer better.
Oh.
Ube pass mama in patcha. Would between resonance and Salma why na ma choose resonance.
But why? Am I not your friend?
Hey, questions in your audio.
Hey, ready? I love Ghana music. I love Ghana, entertainment.
So in your element, will you play Stoneboy's track or
I
Wale?
love everyone, my love. I love everyone. What you say? And shout outs to both of them.
Okay.
Yeah, I love them.
Okay. Into you to a three.
Okay. Hey, Brad.
Will you prefer to be Miss or Mrs.?
Anyone God has given. Anyone. We are blessed to have any. That's in the 4.
The
fourth one.
We jumping in, and this one PP.
Hey, and no dear Pacho Minko.
Hey, I saw questions.
Hey, you're quite a punchy pow. I'm here friend 5/5. Ah, to be able, yeah, no, so we need Yano. Sharp. Quick, yeah, we be able, you need Yano.
Everybody got
Choices. Yeah, so your choice, MPP and AC.
Miss Rowe.
Oh, feel free.
Miss Rowe. Miss Rowe.
It's opera rap.
Last one.
Opera rap. Opera rap music. Someone who play music.
I love music.
Naga na mini obi
so rap so
na mini mi colleague na ha na obi sa mi kwa 5 na say anka wo throw bi man
me so no so be
what
yeah you are man
so
you two here so MPP and DC on when me answer nam the amount then we move forward to resonance
the questions it will say different from mine
the same question some go class I'm go school back I'm the same questions number answer
there be three different questions
oh there we did the same questions so we na maba musu ade ne bo muso definitely we the same so last one opera rap music
Debbie
opera rap music you sure opera music opera music gospel name oh me say last one you can put the unyano Salma Mumin so opera rap opera music
Salma
will you prefer psychology or medical when it comes to rap both
they all great in their various raps and I love both styles
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Hey, what breathe it? 5/5 nickel, no breathe yeah. Okay, fella. Thank you, Kumasi. So that's the last words. I'm Kumasi for.
Thank you, Kumasi, for always holding it down for us. Saturday, your best stress will be any time now. Mumbai share resonance. No more support Ghana movie industry. No, na into me so ye de ye name na Meda Wunswasi once again for giving us the platform.
Thank you.
Thanks to Minya Salma. So
okay.
We join me BBA or ye
okay.
Our baby, you know, ye promote we any me amazing team.
Okay.
Nice one. Sure will be a Saturday. Make sure be any.
Yeah, you know, about in our numbers. What your resonance? You ain't send us the other for Bana.
Me patron this next month here should see a next project.
Oh wow. Thank you, fella. Thank you very much. I was Opemsuo already 104.7 and fella Makafui alongside Salma Mumin and Umdia. It's all about resonance. Saturday, Muna Mumra na yen have fun na yen make history in Kumasi. Let's do this one from fella Makafui or say no size.
Forget the haters, fuck them